My name is Louis Butler. I'm currently an attorney at DeWitt law firm and have been here since March 1st of 2016. But I've done a number of things over my career. I've been a public defender, trial division, a public defender appellate division, a law school teacher at Marquette, municipal court judge, a circuit court judge, a Supreme Court justice, and a law professor at University of Wisconsin. Practiced at another law firm before coming to DeWitt. I'm soon to ride off into the sunset to retirement, and that's because I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do with my career. That's why I've done all those things. What advice would I give young attorneys? I advise them, particularly if they're interested in diversity and in helping people that need help, they should make sure that they pay attention to what drove them into the practice to begin with. Sometimes you forget why you went off to do things. I mean, when I started off, I was impressed and I was inspired by John F. Kennedy. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. My father said it was a political speech. I took it seriously and my career took off from there. And it's to try to encourage people to remember that there are people out there that can't do for themselves, that need help. And if we don't provide that type of assistance, and if you don't go out and you've got to work hard, make sure that you're prepared, because you can't help them unless you're capable to do it yourself. But if you work hard and get there, then you can do a lot of good for your community, and you can rise to a lot of heights yourself. You can become a great lawyer, you become a judge, you might become a justice. We had gone out, three black judges, Stanley Miller, rest his soul, Russell Stamper, who was the senior black judge in the area, and myself. And we were asked to taste everybody's gumbo from the community. Everybody brought in the best gumbo in the world. I make a mean pot of gumbo. My mother makes a mean pot of gumbo. There was some great gumbo at this contest. But we were asked to go in and judge, and they put us up on a stage, up on a pedestal. And we're sitting there, and the three of us are eating the various bowls, and a group of about 6 or 7 young black males came and sat at the edge of the stage. I choke up even telling it now. And we looked down, and we were wondering, well, what's going on with it? Because they were sitting there staring in awe. And I believe it was Judge Miller that asked, is there anything wrong? Is there anything we can do for you? And I think it was Judge Miller, because Judge Stamper would have said, what do you want? And I will never forget, and it was a life-changing moment, when one of the young men looked up and said, we've never seen a black judge before. My life changed that day. It's not just about what you do in court. It's not just about what you do on the bench. It's about what you do for your community. It's about being a role model. It's about doing what's right for everyone that's around you.